Step into a timeless elegance, discover the allure of traditional English interior design. In the world of interior design, where trends come and go with the seasons, there exists a style that stands as a timeless testament to elegance and sophistication. The traditional English interior design. Rooted in centuries of history, this design approach seamlessly blends classic elements with a cozy, inviting ambiance that has captivated hearts around the world. Here are some key principles to consider when designing a traditional English interior. 1. Color palette. Opt for a muted color palette with soft, warm tones like ivory, cream, beige, and pastel shades. Incorporate deeper colors such as burgundy, forest green, and navy blue for accents and contrast. Two. Classic patterns. Embrace traditional English patterns like floral prints, damask, chintz, and toile for upholstery, curtains, and wallpaper. Incorporate plaids and checks, such as tartan, in textiles and furnishings. 3. Furniture selection. Choose furniture with a classic and timeless design, often featuring rolled arms, turned legs, and button-tufted upholstery. Dark wood finishes like mahogany, oak, or walnut are quintessential to traditional English interiors. Antique pieces or high-quality reproductions add authenticity. 4. Textiles and fabrics. Incorporate luxurious fabrics like velvet, silk, and brocade for upholstery and curtains. Layer textiles with rich textures, such as wool, mohair, and silk, for added depth and comfort. 5. Fireplaces and mantels. If possible, include a traditional fireplace with an ornate mantel as a focal point in the room. Decorate the mantel with antique clocks, candlesticks, or a collection of decorative objects. 6. Paneling and wainscoting. Install wooden paneling or wainscoting on walls to create a sense of grandeur and tradition. Paint or stain the paneling in a rich, dark color for an authentic look. 7. Accessories and decor. Decorate with vintage or antique accessories, such as porcelain figurines, decorative plates, and vintage books. Incorporate classic, timeless art pieces, like landscapes, portraits, or still life paintings. 8. Flooring. Choose hardwood floors with a dark stain or opt for traditional patterned carpets like oriental rugs. Include intricate rugs to add warmth and texture to the space. 9. Lighting. Install elegant chandeliers, sconces, or table lamps with shades in silk or parchment. Consider candlestick-style sconces or candelabras for a touch of old-world charm. By following these principles, you can create a traditional English interior design that exudes elegance, sophistication, and a timeless sense of charm. Remember to balance authenticity with functionality and your personal style preferences to make the space truly your own.